Hey guys, so today's comment of the day goes to Chris Hamilton with her comment, absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for that, honey. I also want to big up my legendary squad for always tagging me on Instagram. Thank you so much for that, guys. Also, guys, remember to be included in these shout outs. All you have to do is turn your post notification bell on. You never miss a video, and I'll give you a post notification shout out. Also, tag me on Instagram and I'll give you an IG shout out. And for the comment of the day, go ahead and comment, and I will choose a comment at random. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl, Mishi Wang, and if you're new here, then welcome. Join the family. Click the subscribe button down below. Hey guys, so boy am I happy to be back here with you another Saturday afternoon. I hope that you guys are doing well and are okay watching this video. Okay, all right, so today I'm about to show you how I do my simple, very quick and easy natural makeup look. All right, so I firstly prime my face. That's the first thing that you need to do, guys. Firstly, you need to start on a fresh clean face. After that, you prime your face, and I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm using Maybelline Superstay for my face. I am using, for my eyebrows, I did a new routine. I'm about to show you. I think tomorrow I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna drop that video, my updated eyebrow routine. The routine that I've started doing it, I use not too much eyeliner on my brows, and because of that it feels so much more natural to me. It looks so much more natural, and yeah, I like it. I hope you like it too. Also, my hair, I love my hair, guys. Like, I was so crushing on my hair, because if you knew me from back in the days, well, before I started my natural hair journey, this is how I'd usually keep my hair, in a pixie cut. Like, I made this wig years ago when I had a pixie cut, and now that I'm wearing the wig, I'm thinking to myself, like, why did you make a pixie wig when your hair was already in a pixie cut? Because I made the wig and I didn't really wear it. So it's kind of old now and kind of falling apart. But nonetheless, I dragged it on and I was so crushing on it. I think I'm gonna do another one. If you want to see a pixie wig tutorial, then let me hear it in the comments. I'll certainly do one to show you guys. All right, so for my highlight, I'm using this is the Maybelline highlighter concealer I'm using to do my highlights, and I'll put everything in the description because I really don't remember what shade concealer I was using to do my highlights. Yeah, so I'm usually using LA Girls, but today I changed a little bit and use my Maybelline concealer. I am going to use an LA Girl concealer for my contour. And guys, let me tell you about this setting powder. It is, I think, the L'Oreal Hydra something setting powder. I'm gonna put the name in the description. This setting powder, I think that it is just so good. I did another video after doing this video and it held up, like my face was still in place, like, if that makes sense. Right, my face was still in good, it was looking good even after doing that video. I totally recommend this setting powder because it is finely grained, and when I say that, it's like the grains are not thick, so it's not like thick on your face. It's like very lightweight and it brushes off easily, or brushes, like, as you could see, I just pat it onto my skin and it just stood on my skin. Yeah, so I totally recommend this setting powder. If you're scared of having flashbacks, I think that this is the perfect setting powder for preventing flashbacks because it is so lightweight and it's not heavy on the skin. So I went ahead and popped those lashes on off camera, guys. Guess what? I did not want such big bold lashes. but I didn't have any smaller lashes. Like, these were the smallest lashes that I have in my collection. Can you believe it? Like, I'm such a drama queen when it comes to lashes. I don't have any smaller lashes. I think I'm gonna go to the store tomorrow and get me some small lashes. Whenever I want for my lashes, like whenever I want natural lashes, I just put the individual lashes on, but I'm too lazy to do that now. So, and also I'm usually putting on lashes to do my makeup look, so I just didn't bother to do that. But I was thinking that these big old lashes were going to spoil the look, but it came together. You'll see in the end. But I really wanted smaller lashes, but I had to work with it. I went ahead and did my highlighter. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills, of course, glow kit, and the shade or the color or the highlighter sundipped. Yeah, I don't remember the shade, but as I said, I'll put it in the description. Guess who tried to do red lips? Yeah, girl. How do they look? How do they look? But doesn't this look so much better? Guys, I could not bear with the red lips. Plus, I said that I was doing a natural look, right? Like, red is not natural, red is bold. Like, I was just feeling myself. I was feeling my hair. I was feeling this makeup. I was feeling everything about the look. Like, guys, so I'm at the end of this video. If you like this look, this natural, simple, quick look, then give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl for more videos like this one. Okay, bye.